to start with is the actual CRM product user interface. You're a little more comfortable as I walk through the demonstration as a whole. So, beginning on the left-hand side, we have the main menu. And what the main menu will do is obviously take us to our different features and functions within ACTAC CRM. So whether that's searching for companies, solutions for the knowledge base, support cases, opportunities, leads, entering in new companies, persons, etc. My CRM, which is the page you're actually on now. Team selling or team CRM allows people to view information not just in an individual format, but in a group format. So support groups, level 1, level 2, level 3 support, field sales, inside sales, etc. Marketing automation. The administrative functions, our built-in reporting engine, our offline synchronization utility. All of those are accessed through the main menu. Just above the main menu, we have the back and forward arrows. And these are just like the back and forward arrows on your browser. They allow you to go back and forward through pages you've recently visited. So again, if I just want to go back 4 pages, I just click back 4 times. I don't have to search for persons again. I don't have to search for companies, opportunities. Whatever I was working on resides there. The recent drop-down list is also very similar. As you'll notice here, it stores recent support cases, companies, leads, opportunities, persons, and even knowledge-based solutions that I have visited. So I can quick look. I can revert back to this information without having to type in information to search or advanced search or anything like that. Really shortens our transaction time. The top here we have what we call the context menu, and what the context menu will always do is explain to you exactly where you are in the solution. So you can see here now we are in My CRM for Peter Johnson. Now whether we're in a company or a person or an opportunity, the context menu will change to reflect that, making it easy to navigate and allowing people to always understand where they are in the system. Just below that you'll see a series of tabs, and these tabs obviously maintain different types of information depending on where we are in the context menu. So we're going to get into the tabs in more detail as we walk through the system. The main body page, the calendar in this case, is an active server page. And what I mean by that is that this is a 100% web-based product. It has to be accessed through an Internet Explorer browser. It has to be accessed over the web unless you're using our offline synchronization utility. So every screen you see, every drop-down list you see is customizable by you. And that's very important moving forward because we understand that no CRM solution goes in vanilla. But you can see here, this is a calendar in a monthly format, the ability to hover over the information, and it'll give me details of that appointment. Now, if I prefer to see my calendar in a daily, weekly, monthly, or annual view, obviously I have the opportunity to do so. On the right-hand side, we have filter criteria. So at this point in time, you can see I'm only looking at my pending appointments and tasks. Well, if I wanted to filter down and just look at the faxes I need to make out that are still pending, I can do that and apply the filter, and you can see it'll just bring up that information. Okay. So why is this important? Again, it allows me to drill down to the details and the data that's important for me to get my job done quickly. If I need to search for an email that I just sent out, it's that easy to find. Okay. If I want to review my information in a list view rather than the calendar view you see here, I select List. Below that, I have Task and Appointment buttons, the ability for me to create appointments in the CRM system for myself or other users. And just like most calendaring, task scheduling software, I have the ability to set a time and date, stamp those, set reminders, the ability for me to review not only CRM calendars, but also Exchange calendars. So if I have some people on Exchange, some people on CRM, I have the ability to set appointments and review their calendar within ACTAC CRM. Below the New Appointment button, you'll see an Email button. And you're going to see this throughout the CRM solution. And basically what this is a built-in email editor. So the ability for me to launch and send emails from anywhere in the CRM solution, whether it's specific to a person or in general as we have here, And I'm going to get into email management in much more detail in the webinar. Below that, we have our online help and our document drop. So much like the email, you're going to see the document drop exist everywhere, whether it's within knowledge-based solutions or support cases or opportunities or persons or companies. What it is basically the ability for you to take any file, and don't limit it to documents, but any file and store it in the CRM system. Scroll over here. And what's important is that you're not only pulling that information from your local hard drive. So our company can pull templates for proposals and templates for white papers, etc., from one central folder on our main server, so everybody's using a product may not be specific